Hey guys, welcome back to another video made by Milky and Sis. Today we're going to make soft, chewy, delicious, and yummy cookies. So let's get started. First we're going to start off with our wet ingredients. So first we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Then we're going to add 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Now we're going to add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Be sure to transfer the wet ingredients into a bigger bowl so it's easier to mix. Now I'm using a grinder. I'm using a mixer, like a grinder, because it gets every single lump in there, so like it's better and like you can do it faster. Now we're gonna crack 1 egg. Now mix with a spatula or a grinder if you want. So as you can see, we're done mixing all the wet ingredients, and now we're going to move on to dry ingredients. So we went ahead and added 2 cups of flour, and now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk till all is combined. Now it's time to mix the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. So I'm adding the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and I'm going to add a little by little at a time so that I can get every single lump in there. And if I add it all at the same time, then there might be lumps and it might be hard to mix. So I'm going to add 1 spoon and mix with my spatula. So as you can see, we preheated the oven at 375 Fahrenheit, and in the meanwhile we're gonna add chocolate. And look at the dough, it smells so good and it just looks fluffy, delicious, and so yummy. So let's add the chocolate chips and some other chocolate chunks. You can add like any type of chocolate to make it really tasty. Now let's dig in there, mix it in so that every single cookie will get a chocolate chip. It has to go all the way to the bottom. Now it's time to make the cookie balls. So you're gonna just make it like a medium-sized ball and just take it and kind of roll it in like this and put it on the sheet and kind of press it a little bit so it's a little flat. And just like that, keep on going till all the cookie dough is finished. So here are the cookies. They look so good, and after they bake, they're going to taste even more good. So now, as you can see, the oven is ready to bake. Now we're going to bake them around 7 to 10 minutes. These can cook fast, so you kind of have to keep an eye on it till like you want it the right type of golden brown. So now let's go ahead and put it in the oven. Wow, look at it. They smell so good. Look at these cookies. Oh, they smell so good. They smell like the cookies that you find at restaurants, and then you could see the golden brown, which like it says like there's going to be crispiness and like soft inside, and like I can't wait to taste them. Oh, they smell so good. I can't wait to taste them. Look at that golden brown, yummy, delicious cookie. So let's go ahead and try it. Tastes so good. It's crunchy on the outside, but really chewy and soft in the inside, which makes it like the perfect cookie. So I hope you guys like this video on how to make this delicious cookie. And make sure to check out our other videos where we make yummy recipes just like this. And hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below what our next video should be. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you'll always be reminded when we make new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.